Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. Thursday is the last working day of our office because tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday, every institution is closed. Somebody going place, somebody shopping, somebody friendship, somebody relative house communication, somebody brother and sister, young girls, ladies and gentlemen, very important invitation meet. Now I am Rashid. Allah prayer me evening time going to our place Jamalpur. Everybody prayer me. This is Teen Teatro Moila Grace, capital city Gulshan and Banani.